The DeLonghi Livenza Multi-Cooker is a versatile kitchen gadget that allows for various cooking methods such as steaming, browning, sautéing, baking, and slow cooking, all in one convenient countertop pot. With a 24-hour programmability feature and a self-regulating precision system, this multi-cooker offers a hassle-free cooking experience, letting you know exactly what's cooking and when it will be ready. One of its remarkable features is the TrueTemp technology, which ensures optimal results by intelligently regulating timing and temperature settings and automatically switching from cook mode to keep warm mode for up to 12 hours. This multi-cooker is not only versatile but also intuitive, featuring an easy design with illuminated temperatures and times, and 7 modes including low, medium, high, oven bake, brown sauté, steam, and rice. Designed with ease of cleanup in mind, the DeLonghi Livenza Multi-Cooker eliminates the need for additional pots and pans, as all the cooking can be done in one dishwasher-safe pot. With a price of $204.99 and an average review score of 4.2 out of 5 from 420 reviewers, this multi-cooker offers great value for its versatility and convenience.